Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to record our screen in 720p in Samsung Galaxy A55 phone. So how to change our the quality of our screen recorded video in our phone. First, settings. Then in settings we are looking for advanced features. Next, in screenshots and screen recordings options, we are looking for video quality. Right now we have the lowest, 480. We can change the quality of our screen recording to the medium option, so 720p right now, and that's all. We can close our menus, no need to save the settings. The phone will remember our setting, and that's all. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.